How to use the Traeger turkey orange brine and rub kit. This kit is suitable for turkey up to 9 kilos, ours weighed 3.5. Mix the brine seasoning with 950 ml of water and boil it for 5 minutes. Add the brine mixture to 2.84 litres of cold water. You'll want to wait until this is completely cooled to brine your turkey, so we use ice to speed up the process. At this stage, you can optionally add 235 ml of bourbon as well. Submerge your turkey breast side down in the brining liquid. We've spatchcocked ours, although you don't have to, but make sure the turkey is fully covered by the liquid. Refrigerate the turkey in the brine for 24 hours. The next day, remove the turkey from the brine and pat it dry. Brush the outside of the turkey with butter and season it with the turkey rub. Make sure to season inside the cavity if you haven't spatchcocked your turkey. Set your Traeger to 100 degrees Celsius and smoke the turkey breast for up to 2 hours. Increase the temperature to 180 and roast the turkey until the internal temperature reaches 65 to 70 degrees in the thickest part of the breast. Allow the turkey to rest for 20 minutes to half an hour before carving it. The internal temperature will keep climbing to around 75 degrees in this time. And just like that, you have a delicious, moist and flavourful turkey.